Switching from Huawei to iPhone? Moving your photos doesn't have to be tricky. In this video, I'll show the easiest ways to transfer your Huawei photos to iPhone safely and without losing quality. Part 1. Transfer photos from Huawei to iPhone via phone transfer. Transferring photos from Huawei to iPhone? Phone transfer moves photos, contacts, and more safely fast, simple, and without risking your original data. Step 1. Connect both devices to your computer. Start by installing and opening the software on your computer. Then, connect your Huawei phone and iPhone via USB cables. Follow the on-screen instructions to make sure the program recognizes both devices properly. Step 2. Select the photos you want to move. Once your Huawei phone appears on the interface, confirm it is set as the source device. If not, use the drop-down menu to choose the correct device. Then select Photos and pick the images you wish to transfer. Step 3. Start transferring your photos. Click the Export to Device button to begin the transfer. A progress bar will show the status, so you can track the process until all selected photos are moved safely to your iPhone. Part 2. Copy photos from Huawei to iPhone using Move to iOS app. Move to iOS is an Apple-developed application designed to make switching from Android to iPhone simple. It's particularly effective for transferring photos, along with other types of data, from any Huawei device directly to an iPhone. Part 3. Transfer photos from Huawei to iPhone using Google Photos. Google Photos is a popular photo storage and sharing service developed by Google in 2015. It allows you to back up, organize, and access your photos across multiple devices, including both Android phones and iPhones. Part 4. Transfer pictures from Huawei to iPhone with SHAREit. SHAREit is a mobile transfer app that makes moving photos from a Huawei phone to an iPhone quick and easy. Known for its fast transfer speed up to around 20 megabytes per second, it's one of the most efficient tools for cross-platform transfers.